everyone, today I will tell you how to make coconut modak. For that we need coconut powder, milk maid, chopped pistachio, mold of modak. First we will take this milk maid. Now we will take coconut powder. Now we will take pistachio, some of. Now we will mix them all together. Now we will take this mold. Now we will use our hand to put inside this mold. So now you can see I have filled this mold completely. Now I will open this. Now we will open this. So friends, now you can see our modak is ready. If you don't have these molds, so then you can make laddus also of this mixture too. So friends, now you can see I have taken out this modak. Now I will sprinkle this dry coconut powder on this modak. Now we will put one pistachio under this modak's top. So friends, now our modak is ready to serve to Ganpati ji. So friends, if you like my video, so please share and subscribe too. And like also. Thank you.